Hello friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust or change screen zoom on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So do a swipe up and go to your settings, then tap on display. Scroll down a bit to where you have screen zoom, tap on that. Now at the bottom here guys, you can simple toggle to the left or right to increase or decrease the screen zoom of your phone. So as you can see there, this will impact the largeness or smallness of applications, and as well you can also change the font size and style on your phone. So as you can see the preview there on the upper, you can see once I toggle to the right, those applications or text get larger, and if I go to the left it gets smaller. So this is how you can easily go ahead and change or increase or decrease the screen zoom on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply tap on font size and style here and show you what's there. So from here you can also increase or decrease the font size if you want to go ahead and change that as well. And this is how you can increase or decrease the screen zoom on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone.